Okay, so this is day 5 of my Tenerife vlog. Just make sure I ain't going to get run over. It's the 19th of July and it's about 1 o'clock, nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Today my son John has gone off to work, so I'm just going to have a little stroll around. Got a few things I've got to sort out and buy, and I've got to go and book my COVID test for either tomorrow or Wednesday, I don't know yet, I'll see what they say. Other than that, it's just see what the day brings really. We've got the kiddies skating on the skate park. This is walking down the road on the way towards where John works, and straight on down to the beach. Probably about 5 to 10 minute walk. So that's where I've walked down from, down to the main island here, and that's where I walked down on the first day, so I'm going to try this one here, down to the beach. Here's a place that does all the tours and the rent-a-cars and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, dolphin and whale watching, all sorts of stuff. I'm just coming up to the road. I think this might be the posher part of Las Americas. I don't think I'll be buying a beer around here. I'll stick with the cheap stuff. It's a Cleopatra Palace Hotel. And there are all the apartments and rooms down there. Okay, so just got to the bottom of the hill. Probably took me about 5 to 10 minutes to walk down here, like I said. A few people on the beach. Obviously a lot of the Spanish are back at work today, so that stopped for a while. Beach looks really nice, golden sands. Down that way is down to the beach where we spent the day yesterday, and then if you go down that way you end up in Las Cristianas where we were fishing the other day. But in general it's difficult to get lost here. So that's your today's version of the wildlife on Cheap Dave's channel. It's free, it's good. There's a lifeguard station, both sitting there having a chat, keeping everyone protected. Not a bad job. We've just got to the area where surfers hang out, or the first area. There's a few out there, can't really see them, but I'll try and zoom in. Now they're only little dots in the distance, but So a few boats on the sea at the moment. Just sat down here to watch the surfing going on. I think there's only 3 or 4 surfers out there at the moment. Yeah, 3 or 4 of them out there. Oh no, there's more, there's about 6 of them. I think 3 more down here just ready to go. See all the gym equipment on the beach, great views. I think I might have a go on there later. Yeah, just over the mountains there is TD, the volcano. Loads of surfers out there. I'll have a look when I get down there. So yeah, I'm just coming up off the beach now. I've passed all the surfing places. Now the shops there with surfboard hire. Here as well, look. And skateboards by the look of it. More surf. There's your prices. Doing a bit of roadworks down there. 4 blokes working in ridiculous temperatures. But I'm going to video anything, so I don't care. That's one of the bars that my lad used to work at. Always busy they were. Even in the day there was a few people here. Seen them open yesterday, but I think they're open, but there's just no one here. Yep, it's called the Dubliner. Nice bar. They got a downstairs area where they play live music as well. But I know when I used to go there with see my son, the bars was 2 or 3 deep waiting for drinks, so he couldn't have been that good at serving. Okay, so I've just been down the doctor's, booked in my PCR test for Wednesday at midday at 12 o'clock. So there's that one, that's going to cost me €40, and then I'm going to have to pre-book one before I get the flight home, and she's just informed me that I only have to get a single PCR test when I return to England, and that will be sufficient. So I'm going to have a little look on the internet in a minute and see what they got. Hopefully I can get a nice cheap price. I just fed it a peanut. I thought it might like a fag, but it's not looking too interested. I think it's waiting for another nut. I'll have a look, hold on. Just like to let John know I pulled another bird. That'll be the second one I've pulled in a week. Come on, Brian, there's another one there, but you've got to come up.
Exactly,
I'm going to hold it tight as well. Here you go, Brian. I'll keep going. Come on.